In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Fresha booking link in 2025. If you're a business owner or manager using Fresha, you know how vital it is to have your services easily accessible to your clients. A booking link is a simple yet powerful tool that can help drive more bookings and ultimately grow your business. Let's dive in and see how you can create your own Fresha booking link in just a few fuss-free steps. First, let's ensure you're all set on the correct platform. Head over to the Fresha partner account login page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your partner credentials. This will direct you to your partner dashboard, the starting point of your journey to creating your booking link. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the option labeled Online Booking. It's typically located on the left-hand menu. Click on this option to proceed. This area of the dashboard is specifically designed for managing and customizing how clients can book directly with you online. Now, you'll want to find the link builder. This option allows you to create different kinds of booking links tailored to your needs. Clicking on Link Builder will provide you with two primary options: linking to everything your business offers or narrowing down to a specific service. If you have a wide variety of services or just a particular one in mind, choose whichever best matches your current needs. After deciding which type of link aligns with your objectives, you'll see a Create Link button. Click this button to generate your personalized booking link. This is a crucial step in making your services more accessible to your audience, and it's surprisingly simple. Once the link is generated, it will be displayed on the screen. This is your unique URL, a direct pipeline connecting potential clients to your services. You'll want to copy this link, and here's an easy way to do it. Just select the URL and hit Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C if you're on a Mac. Finally, after copying your link, you'll see an option to click on Done. Don't overlook this step, as clicking Done will finalize your actions within the system. And there you have it. You've effortlessly created your very own Fresha booking link. You can now share this link across your social media channels, include it in your email signatures, or post it on your website. This link is a powerful feature that connects your business to existing and potential clients, streamlining the booking process and helping grow your business as you move forward in 2025 and beyond. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you on your way to a more connected and thriving business with Fresha.